New improvements in the 3D section tool have been made in IronCAD 2022 Product Update 1. Simply select on your assembly, go to the Section Part Assembly tool on the tool ribbon bar, and it will enable a tri-ball and a section plane. You can reverse the orientation to quickly get an idea of how the part's being sectioned, and you can use the tri-ball to quickly position the section plane and notice the dynamically updating section plane. Once you're ready, go ahead and hit OK to place the section plane. You can create multiple section planes just by repeating the command, using the tri-ball, rotating to a desired orientation, and positioning it where you like, and hitting OK. This is useful for creating multiple sections on geometry. This improvement has been made especially for large assemblies. For example, we have a model here that has about 4,000 parts. We can simply select the assembly, again, run the tool, and you'll notice the section plane is very dynamic, just as we saw in the smaller assembly of about 2,000 parts. As you can see, as we dynamically pull this, we'll get the update, and we can go ahead and apply it. So these improvements go across the board in the 3D section tool, but really ideally targeted for large assemblies.